Have you ever experienced the feeling that life is unfolding without your control, leaving you trapped in a relentless loop of disappointment and frustration? I can certainly relate to that sentiment. However, what if I were to share with you an empowering notion? What if I told you that you possess the ability to alter this narrative entirely? That, in fact, you are the master architect of your own life experiences. Although it may seem too fantastic to believe, the teachings of Neville Goddard have consistently demonstrated that this is not mere wishful thinking. When you embrace Neville Goddard's methods and apply them diligently, you'll be astounded by the undeniable truth that you hold the reins of control. Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the profound teachings of Neville Goddard and the incredible power of manifestation. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos. Today, we're going to talk about how you have the power to change your life circumstances and create the reality you desire. So let's dive right in. The power of manifestation, according to Neville Goddard, is a fascinating concept that has gained recognition among the masses. People are realizing the potential of manifesting their desires into reality. Neville Goddard's teachings explain that we have the power to change our life circumstances by changing our perspective. Our reality is shaped by our expectations, with everyone in our lives playing a role in what we have envisioned for ourselves. So how can you unlock the power of manifestation? To create what you want, it is necessary to shift your assumptions and bypass your subconscious mind as instructed by Neville Goddard. By following his specific instructions on manifestation, you can gain insight and control over your subconscious mind. Understanding thought patterns can lead to creating desired situations, outcomes, and experiences, even if those experiences don't currently feel desirable. By cultivating a more mindful approach and taking ownership over life events, you can create an empowered mindset and take control of your destiny, even in difficult times. Visualization techniques, according to Neville Goddard's principles, are powerful tools for manifesting better results. They help us focus on what we want instead of worrying about what could go wrong. Visualization encourages positive thinking and actively manifests desired outcomes by using mental images combined with affirmations or mantras. By turning your thoughts into words and feelings, you can take actionable steps that bring your goals closer each day. Neville Goddard's teachings provide a unique and effective approach to manifesting desires through visualization and imagination. With patience and practice, we can begin to make real changes in our lives that attract what we desire instead of that which brings pain or fear. At the heart of Neville Goddard's teachings is the SATS technique, a technique that provides an effective approach to manifesting desires by entering into a sleep-like state where your subconscious mind does not differentiate between reality and imagination. When you visualize in this state, your instructions are lovingly manifested into fruition, due to being released directly into your subconscious mind without any interference from conscious thought or worry. Before even attempting the SATS technique, however, one should take time to sit down and consider their true desires deeply so that they know exactly what they wish for before entering the visualization process. Otherwise, there may be confusion or a lack of focus when beginning manifestation work. It is also important during this process that one fills themselves with positive thoughts, feelings of abundance, faith in themselves, as well as faith in the law of attraction, law of assumption. These will all help when beginning work on manifesting our dreams. Visualization and manifestation techniques unlock the power of manifestation in our lives. Visualizations are a powerful tool for manifesting desires, according to Neville Goddard. This is accomplished by constructing a scene in which the desired outcome has already been achieved and then reliving the scene in a meditative state similar to sleep. To achieve this state, one can use breathing techniques taught by Wim Hof. These techniques calm the body and mind, allowing manifestation techniques to work effectively. Once you have constructed your visualization scene, it is important to fully immerse yourself in the feeling that comes with having manifested your desire. Allow your imagination to take over as outside evidence becomes irrelevant. By doing this, you connect with what Neville Goddard calls the law of assumption, assuming that your desire has already been fulfilled, allowing it to materialize into physical reality faster than anticipated. Prayer is approached by immersing oneself into their visualized ideal reality, where logic and reasoning stop working and imagination becomes real, enabling manifestation of desires to become more easily attainable. The deeper one goes into their imagined world guided by faith in themselves, the greater their success will be when trying to manifest something into physical reality. So don't hesitate any longer. Start unlocking the power of manifestation today by visualizing what you want most out of life. Unlock the power of manifestation with the teachings of Neville Goddard. Manifestation is a powerful tool that can help you turn your desires into reality. Neville Goddard, a renowned manifestation teacher, recommends inducing yourself into the right state of mind by repeating the phrase, "I am so sleepy." This will help you enter an altered state where your imagination and visualization skills are at their peak. The more vivid and detailed your imagination is, the more powerful your manifestation will become. Visualize even the smallest details to make it feel real in your mind and attract what you desire. For instance, if you want to manifest physical health or well-being, visualize yourself with a healthy and strong body, feeling at ease within yourself. If you want to manifest an ideal partner, imagine engaging in activities together like cooking or shopping to enhance its reality in your mind. Believe that it is already done when you open your eyes again. Repetition of visualization exercises is key. Repeat this prayer daily until you firmly believe that you have exactly what you want and nothing less. Additionally, use affirmations such as "I am the creator of my life" or "I am capable" regularly to reinforce these beliefs within yourself. Eventually, they will become second nature and attract abundance into all areas of your life quickly and effectively, using Neville Goddard's teachings on manifestation. Manifesting desires is an art that has been discussed for centuries. However, Neville Goddard's teachings are a powerful addition to the law of attraction, emphasizing the importance of repetition and visualization in manifesting and unlocking the power of manifestation. According to Neville Goddard, the speed at which we manifest our desires is determined by how natural it feels in our minds. This is why repetition is key. Repeating what you desire allows it to become part of your inner dialogue until it feels real. Asking yourself, "How does it feel to already have what I desire?" And rehearsing this can be very helpful in getting into the right mindset for manifestation. In addition to repetition, visualizing your desired outcome can bring you closer to achieving it in reality. Tuning into divine energy and entering a state akin to sleep can assist in aligning with the vibrations of having already achieved your goal. Planting a seed in your mind through visualization helps create a new reality for your desired outcome. You may wonder if this technique should only be applied at bedtime or during naps. The answer lies in consistency. Being consistent with repeating the scene until it feels real and then letting go of needing control over every outcome will produce results. Just make sure that what you're asking for is aligned with your higher self's purpose and highest good. Manifestation is a powerful concept that has been around for centuries, and Neville Goddard's teachings have helped millions of people unlock the power of manifestation and create the life they desire. Relying on a higher power is essential to manifesting our desires, and having faith in outcomes without needing to know how they will happen gives us the ability to trust the universe and manifest abundance with joy. Neville Goddard's teachings strive to explain how it is possible to bring desired thoughts into reality. He explains that by using visualization techniques, positive thinking, affirmations, the law of attraction, the law of assumption, or other methods, we can attract whatever we want into our lives. Everyone has their own opinion about these concepts. So open discussion about them helps build understanding around his methods. Friends, we create inspirational and motivational videos based on the teachings of Neville Goddard, as well as other spiritual teachers who promote manifestation techniques. Join us and become the part of our community and subscribe us for inspirational, informative videos that are useful and helpful when it comes to manifestation. God bless.